everyone being here and making a sacrifice for Ranganui and Papatūānuku. We've got to remember our whakapapa. We've got to remember our whanaungatanga to keep up their whakapapa connection.
What I'm saying to you, the Crown and the Council, take your marina. Leave it alone.
Yes, we stop the marina, Waiheke, then we move it to somewhere else. We don't want it throughout Aotea. We want changes throughout Aotea. We don't want to be band-aiding issues. We want legislation changes now.
Hikoi te Moana was brought together to unite us all to take that kaupapa back to our own hapu, our own marae and our own whānau. Let's protect Pūtiki to start off with. Protect our korora!
I want to acknowledge all the occupations that are going around the motu because they have a common strain and a common theme, and that is about returning Māori lands into Māori hands. That is the issue of tino ranga tiratanga. The Treaty of Waitangi is a living document. It was alive for our tūpuna then, and it is alive for us today. And because it is alive, it allows us to create this foundation, but also a lens on the context that we are living in. What we also need to do is also look at kotahitanga, that connection of whakapapa. And that whakapapa is not just about the connections that we have as people, but our whakapapa to the environment, our whakapapa to the moana, our whakapapa to the korora. And we have heard your calls. There needs to be legislative change, so you need to hear your voices heard as well. And I want to acknowledge the actions of people on the ground, the people that are occupying and holding space on the moana and on the whenua out there at Pūtiki Bay, who are holding that space for all of us, not just for all of us, but for the korora as well.
We are on stolen land. What we're talking about with this kaupapa and the connection between all of these kaupapa is also stolen rights to the Moana. What we're talking fundamentally about a constitutional arrangement in this country that does not honour Te Tiriti o Waitangi. When we're talking about what happened at Canal Road, and I want to shout out to those protectors who were also in court yesterday. So this fight is incredibly important, but we have to recognise all of the connections here. We have to fundamentally honour Te Tiriti o Waitangi. That is what will enable us to protect the korora at Pūtiki. We are talking effectively about a massive symbol of inequality. We are talking about a floating car park. We are talking about marina bays that cost at the cheapest $180,000. We are talking about the privatization and gentrification of the Moana. That is what all of the separatists and racists and those conservative politicians were trying to argue Māori would do in 2004 when we were debating the Foreshore and Seabed Act. It's the opposite. It is Pākehā law that is being weaponized to privatise, to gentrify and to lock out public access to public space.
For us in Ngaro Wahia at the moment, doing the North Whenua, holding the space, we have an awa, but also in our rohe we have a Moana. Raglan Harbour, Whangaro, Moana. We're all connected. All our awa flow into the one ocean, Te Moana Nui a Kiwa. So we're connected because the ocean rejects no awa. We don't want our tamariki in the future to go to Kelly Talton's to learn what a fish looks like, to go and see a shark, to go and see a dolphin. I'm sorry, that just doesn't cut it. Our children deserve the same rights that we do to walk our whenua, to fish in our moana, to embrace te Aotearoa.
I tautoko what others have said. Auckland Council, you need to change your position on the consents that you are giving out.